No, it's not too late to start your own ATM business. We have clients and students who start from zero and see results fast, due to our proven formula. Also, saturation up until a certain point can be a good thing because you will get better at your craft and therefore your business. However, there can be such a thing as too much saturation if you're not maintaining your ATM and providing a better service than the competition. Everyone talks about too much competition. But what most people fail to account for is that ATM use is and has continued to increase accordingly. So even though there's more competition, there's more customers as well. And out of all the competition, how many actually provide good service and ATMs that perform well? And how many of them actually know what they're doing and are applying a good strategy? The number gets smaller and smaller. And if you do continue to provide higher quality product and better service than the competition, then it doesn't matter how much saturation there is. Check the link in comment for more. And thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you never miss an update.